Today we learned how to solve a system of equations. A system of equations is more than one linear equation. For example, these two equations. When it asks you to find the solution to the system, what it's really asking you is to find the point of intersection. We can do this in two different ways. One way is by graphing. For example, y equals 2x plus 1. I know it has a y-intercept of 1, and its slope is 2. So that means up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. And if I follow the pattern backwards, I can complete my line. Now, the second equation has a y-intercept of -7 and a slope of +4. So that means up 4 over 1, up 4 over 1, up 4 over 1, up 4 over 1. And if I draw in that line, I should probably use a straight edge, but I didn't. There's my point of intersection, 4, 9. And that's the solution to the system. However, today we learned how to find the point of intersection using algebra and graphing. So there's the graphing. To use algebra to solve it, we use substitution. What that means is, since y equals all of this stuff based on the first equation, we are going to take all that stuff and replace y in the second equation with it. Okay? So our first step is we're going to write it out. Instead of y equals 4x minus 7, we're going to write 2x plus 1 equals 4x minus 7. Now, if we solve that equation, we'll be able to find the y-coordinate of our point of intersection. So, minus 2x on both sides. 1 equals 2x minus 7. Add 7 to both sides. 8 equals 2x. Divide by 2. X equals 4. Now, to finish off this problem, we also need the y-coordinate. To find the y-coordinate, take the x value and put it back into either one of those two equations. I'm going to put in the first one because it's easiest. So the first equation says y equals 2x plus 1. I'm going to put the 4 in for x there. So y will equal 2 times 4 plus 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So my y-coordinate is 9. So my point of intersection must be 4, 9, which is the same answer that we got by graphing. So there you have it, solving a system of equations using a graph and by using algebra.